You install them today and within a month, you'll see a noticeable change in quality, taste, and smell of your home water. We're talking about SpringWell Whole House Water Filter System. They remove chlorine and chloramine for lovely hair, skin, and water taste. Super easy to install and maintain. A great water flow rate for household chores, but of course, there are a few downsides. Let's dive into the details to see if it's worth your money. You'll find the latest pricing links in the description. SpringWell CF is great for city water users who are pissed off with chlorinated water. They boast an efficient 4-stage filtration process that removes all major contaminants from drinking water. Chlorine, chloramine, halocetic acids, PFOAS, pesticides, sediment, and other nasty stuff. You can also opt for UV filter add-on to remove dangerous bacteria like E. coli and viruses from well or city water. It comes with 3 size options for homes: CF1 for 1 to 3 bathrooms, CF4 for 4 to 6, and CF Plus more than 7 bathrooms. SpringWell CF1 will give you an impressive water flow rate of 9 gallons per minute, which increases to 12 and 17 gallons per minute for CF4 and CF Plus respectively. Customers have reported no drop in water pressure after installation. I'll not say it's easy to install, but that's the case with most whole house systems. You may need a plumber to get the installation done. It doesn't come with all installation parts, which you'll easily get in a local hardware store. If you want to save money on your initial purchase or don't have much space, you can go for the new SpringWell Whole House Carbon Cartridge System. You'll save $400 while still getting an efficient filter for 4 years. SpringWell CF requires some serious drilling and complex installation, so opt for it only if you're a house owner who has serious levels of contaminants and require a point-of-entry system. If you live on rent, it's better to opt for point-of-use systems. I've reviewed tankless reverse osmosis filters and Hydrovive under sink earlier, so check that out for some expert guidance. Okay, let's talk about maintenance. And it's all easy breezy. Just set it up and forget it, as the media has 1 million gallon capacity and lasts up to 10 years. The 5-micron sediment filter lasts for 6 to 9 months, and its replacing takes 2 to 3 minutes. That's it for clean water for all your home needs: drinking, cooking, washing, and all others. Remember that filter replacement depends on your water quality, so it may vary a bit, but for most customers, it's set and forget system. Now, SpringWell CF doesn't completely remove lead, so if your water test results suggest this cancer-causing heavy metal, consider getting a SpringWell lead and cyst filter system. It's time for certifications. SpringWell uses NSF-certified components, but the system as a whole doesn't have an NSF certification. It by no means it can't deliver, as verified by lots of customer reviews. So yes, if you want chlorine-free water for your hair and skin along with tasty drinking water, SpringWell CF is excellent. If you've hard water, you can consider checking their salt-based softeners as well. I reviewed them earlier in Best Water Softeners in 2023, so check that out now.